Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a impossible braid bracelet with 3 strands. This is the easiest one. Okay, you start with either end, just like this. I'll start from the right. You cross over. Each time you cross over 1 strand at a time, and you always go from the outside and alternating from right to left and left to right again. So it's like this. You cross over 1, and from the outside you cross over, and back to the right side, cross over again, and back to the left side, you cross over 1 strand like that. So it should turn out something like this. We're gonna start from beginning. You need to keep count. Okay, we're gonna go across 1, 2, 3, and then you follow the last strand that here, and then you flip through the middle and just pull it right through. And it looks like it all tangle up, but just leave it alone. Now we're gonna continue. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3. So once you do the second time, it will look like this. So you just need to flip it 1 more time like that, flip it through like that, and then now you need to release it to make it even on both sides. Like that. That's it. Has 3 strands, impossible bracelet. Okay, let's untangle this, and I'm gonna show you how to do it again 1 more time. It's easy to untangle. It's easier than doing the braid. Okay, I'm gonna do it on this side so maybe you can see it better without all the shiny reflection. Go like that. 1, 2, 3. Flip it over in the middle, and then continue. 1, 2, 3. And as you do the braid, always hold on to where you stop so that you don't untangle it. So second time like that, just flip it over, then loosen it. So depending on the thickness of the strip and the length, you may be able to do more than one loop, and that may come out better. Something like this. So this is what one loop looks like. This is two loops look like, and that's 3 loops. So depending on how you want it, you can make it really tight, or this, or this. So this one I have a thicker strip, so having 2 loop is not possible. It'll be all banded and doesn't look nice. And that's it. So keep practicing. It's easy once you get it. Okay, so these are longer and thinner strip for the 3-strand impossible braid. For this one I can probably do 2 loops. This is genuine leather, and this is a stretchy faux leather. This one I can do 3 loops on this one because it's more flexible and soft, much softer. Okay, we're gonna do this one first. Just pick whichever side to start. Again, just keep count. 1, 2, 3, and then loop it in like that, and continue. 1, 2, 3, and then flip it over. That's one complete loop. And keep this hand tight like this so that you have more space to work with on this hand. Okay, I'm gonna do one more loop on this one. 1, 2, 3, and then loop it in. Continue. 1, 2, 3. Then flip it over. That's 2 complete loops here. Okay, now I'm gonna loosen it so that it's evenly distributed. This is genuine leather, and it's about a little bit thicker than 1 millimeter. That's it. This is 2 loops. Okay, now I'm gonna work on this one. I'm gonna try 3 loops on this one. This is the same length as this one, but because the material is different, so I can squeeze in more. Okay. I always start on the right side. That's what I'm comfortable with, but you can start on the left side if you find it better. it doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3. Notice how I start and make a really tight braid here. This way I'll have more room to work with when I get to the third loop. Okay, flip over. Continue. 1, 2, 3. And then flip it. That's like one complete loop. Again, continue. 1, 2, 3. Flip over. 1, 2, 3. That's the second loop. Okay, I'm gonna go for a third one now. This 1, 2, 3. Flip it over. 1, 2, 3. That's one complete loop. That's 3 loops. Okay, at this point I can continue to make the 4th loop if I wanted to, but it would not look nice because it's like this. I'm gonna stop here with 3 loops. So now I'm gonna have to loosen it. This one is much easier because you can kind of just squeeze it. Now I'm gonna have to tighten it like this on this end. There's still a lot more space on this side and it's more tighter over here, so just keep on fixing until you get them evenly spaced. Just like that. This is 3 loops. This is the 2 loops one. So depending on the material, you may be able to add more like tighter braid in there, like this one. This is three loops. This one is 2 loops. That's it.